Jeremiah, one viewer, writes, "My house is upside down with an 80-20 loan. Why is it the only programs out there are for people who are financially irresponsible? Why do they get help while those of us making our payments on time do not?" That's a good question. Unfortunately, there's not an easy answer right now. I spoke with one mortgage broker who stays very current on all the options being proposed.
And they ask, how do I get help? And the answers that we're starting to hear out there are, well, you have to be 90 days behind. And I don't know what kind of signal that sends.
And the short answer is we still don't know what will be available because the options are changing nearly every day. Here's what we do know at the moment. Proposal number 1. Treasury Secretary John Snow earlier this week reported to Congress that at first the administration was hopeful that some of the $700 billion bailout money Congress recently got approved could be applied to help people with upside-down mortgages. But now he says that will not be the case. Proposal number 2. Just today, the FDIC, which federally guarantees banks and deposits, broke away from the administration to propose using $24 billion in government funding to help 1.5 million Americans avoid foreclosure. One big problem, where's the money going to come from? Proposal number 3, IndyMac, an independent bank in Southern California, which recently was taken over by the FDIC, is currently launching plans to cut borrowers' interest rates down to 3% for 5 years and even reduce the principal of the loan so borrowers aren't paying more than 38% of their income for the mortgage. And mortgage companies are busy right now. Over at Macmillan Properties, they tell me they're busy selling homes, even the pricier sections of town, like up at Tuscany Villas. Macmillan is now offering their customers a new help program, which will guarantee the loan payment, especially if they should lose their jobs.
So we're trying to be creative and take a look at all the different, aspects that are out there and how we can better serve and help the people.
Both Williams and Dawson say if there's any doubt about your mortgage or difficulty in paying, you really should contact your mortgage lender and at least talk to them about your options.